Guys,
Hello, Sam.
guys,
What are you doing in that house?
the
What's up, Sam?
wait, the wood.
Here, side.
Which snail is this? Hello, how are you?
Well,
And I will show the biggest honeybee's
no, I'm
house.
showing, not you. I started the video first.
Bro, I will show. La 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 la. Wait. Hello, snail. Can I step on you? It's today, 1st December. So it's where is this? Oh, here. Oh my God. So big is.
Look, that's the honeybee. What's up, honeybee?
Yo, what's up? I will show it now like this. Look that. This.
I will give you a little.
This is so big,
I
guys.
will give you a little clear view.
Look this, guys.
It's so large right now.
It's so large. Dead, bro. Oh my God! What the biggest honeybee house I had. Snail, can you hurry up? This is so slow. Let's see how it will be slow. Did you can see how it's moving? The bro snail is so slow. Are you standing or walking? What? Or running? Snail? Mr. Snail?
Honey, okay? I don't like honey.
Honeybees?
You are safe because I don't think honey. I hate honey.
There is I think there is billion of honeybees. I will show to in this road side.
So large.
In this side, look at this. It's so big, honey. Okay, the video is end. Bye.